Hi everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix call problem in your device Infinix Hot 20. So if your outgoing calls are not working in your device Infinix Hot 20, you can fix this problem by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix call problem in your device Infinix Hot 20.